Look how cute this turned out. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute custom Capri Sun labels that you can stick right on the back of it so you can still see the flavor for a birthday party. These are so simple, and I'm just going to get into it and show you how I do this. If you're interested in these kind of videos and how to make your own custom items and how to DIY and craft, go ahead and subscribe so you can see the next time I post a video. And if you're interested in a little bit of behind the scenes stuff, a little bit more of me just being silly and having fun, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. I made a new one. Here's what it looks like. Here's the handle. If you'd like to follow me there to see a little bit more behind the scenes, I also have a Facebook where I post a lot of shorts and reels of behind the scenes stuff too. So if you're interested in seeing that kind of stuff, go ahead and give me a follow. So let's just get into making these cute little juice labels.
Starting off on Canva, and I'm actually going to do this on the phone so you can see how easy this is to do right from your phone. I'm going to open up a custom size design, and I'm going to make it 3.5 inches by 5 inches. This is the size I found best fits my Kool-Aid jammer packages. And now I'm just going to customize it. You can make this any color or design you want. I personally am going for like a boy dinosaur theme. So I'm going to choose like a gradient just to give it a little something extra so it's not too flat and plain. And I'm just going to add some details. I decided to go into the elements right on Canva and find some free items to use there. And that's what I'm going to use for my image. Going in, I'm going to add text now. And you can change the font and even add effect. I'm going to give this a curved look. I feel like it's just going to be a little bit more fun on my label, and I'm going to fiddle around and play with the fonts, so you're going to see me change the fonts throughout this because I can never decide on a font, and just moving it around and making it what you want. This is obviously going to be different depending on what kind of label you're doing. You could totally even do uploads and upload your own image. You can upload an image of whoever's party you're trying to celebrate or any kind of image you want. I'm just showing you for the sake of this that you can use the elements right in Canva as well. So now I'm adding in some more words just of what we're celebrating. Again, I'm going to go into the effects and see what kind of cool stuff I can do with it to make it look a little more fun and kind of go more for the look I'm going for. Now keep in mind, I'm doing all of this on the free Canva, so you do not have to have like the pro version of Canva to do any of this. Everything I'm doing is free. So I just think that that's important to know that you do not have to have the pro Canva to do this. It's free and you can do it on your phone or on the computer. I'm adding confetti because I felt like it was still looking a little flat and needs a little more dimension. I'm going to go into layers and put it behind all of the other items just so it's not kind of taking away from the design. And then I'm going to turn the transparency down so it's a little see-through, so it's kind of just a little bit of texture in the background and it's not like taking over the whole thing. Once that's done, I'm going to download it and I'm going to open up a new document the size of a piece of paper. So 8.5 inches by 11 inches is the size paper I'm using, so that's the size I made my document to. And I'm going to upload that image that I have completed for my labels, and I'm actually just going to size it down to the 3.5 inches by 5 inches. I can fit 4 of these on a standard piece of paper, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm trying to line them up so it's easier to cut, and then I'm going to download and print this document. It should print everything exactly to the perfect size. I'm going to print this on photo sticker paper. I do like the shininess of the photo paper. The matte paper just doesn't look as quality. So I do suggest using photo sticker paper. It's actually super affordable at Walmart and on Amazon. And so now I'm just going to cut these out, and basically these are stickers. So they're just ready to stick right on our Capri Sun labels. I'm going to cut out a bunch of these, just as many as you want to make. And now it's time to put them on there. As you can see, I'm using Kool-Aid jammers. They're just a little bit cheaper than Capri Suns in my area, so that's what I'm using. I decided to stick the label on the back of this, and the reason is because if you have different flavors, if you bought a variety pack, you can see what flavors you have on the other side, and also it leaves the space for the straw hole so you don't have to stab through your label with the straw. So now, just in regular sticker fashion, I'm going to peel the sticker back so I can place it onto my juice. As you can see, I only did a portion, about like a quarter to a third of it, and that's just so I don't accidentally stick the bottom when I'm not ready yet. And I'm just going to kind of line it up and get it straight the way I want it, and then I'm going to slowly pull the backing off while I'm kind of pressing it down onto the Capri Sun pouch. I apologize that I am out of frame for some of this, but as you can see, I'm not pushing all the edges down yet, and then I'm going to kind of straighten the pouch out and then push down each little edge a little at a time. If you try to just flatten the whole thing at one time, it's going to be wrinkly, and there may still be wrinkles, and there's nothing wrong with that. A little wrinkles never hurt nobody, and the kids are definitely not going to notice if there's a little bitty wrinkle in their package. Capri Sun packages are already wrinkly anyways. So I'm just going to flatten this out the best I can and try to get it as smooth as I can and make sure that the sticker is completely pressed down so that it doesn't come off. That's literally all you have to do to make these custom Capri Sun labels. Look how cute this is. It is adorable, it is custom, and it definitely makes a huge impact at any party. And if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to check out my channel. I also have how to make your own water bottle labels, and I do all kinds of fun little custom stuff like this for parties and events and just for fun. So go ahead and subscribe so you can see the next time I post a video, and I will see you next time.